Hello, in this video I will show you how to set the analog hands on a Casio G-Shock GA-100 or module 5081. The first step is to put the watch in the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button a few times until you see the day of the week on the screen. Press and hold the lower right button for 5 seconds until you see sub SUB flashing on the screen. Using the two buttons on the right side, move the hand of the small sub dial at the top to 50 or vertically facing upwards. Press the lower left button one time and wait for the hands to stop moving. Now use the two buttons on the right side to move both the hour hand and the minute hand to face vertically upwards or to show midnight time. Press the upper left button one time and wait for the hands to stop moving. Press and hold the upper left button for 3 seconds until the city code starts blinking on the screen. Use the two buttons on the right side to find your city code or time zone. If you don't know which one to choose, please leave a comment below and I will guide you. Press the lower left button 3 times. Now use the two buttons on the right side to set the hour of your local time on the digital display. Press the lower left button one time and now you can set the minutes. Press the lower left button 5 times. And press one time on the upper left button to exit the settings. The analog hands will rotate to the same time set as in the digital display. I will put a video at the end on how to set the calendar on this watch. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.